Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm making some fabulous summer cocktails, all made with Prosecco, and I'm going to give you a little lesson on the difference between Prosecco and Champagne. So if it sounds like fun, stay tuned.
Thanks for stopping by Lifestyle with Melonie Graves, where I share stylish and creative ideas to help you do what makes you happy in your home.
One of the things that truly makes me happy in my home is serving my girlfriends up with some fabulous cocktails. And I recently set for my WSET Level 2 certification exam in a wine course here in Tampa. I didn't get the results yet, so I don't know if I passed, but in the meantime, I learned some really cool things that I thought would be nice to share with you today in this video. And so I'm going to share them, and we'll even have a little pop quiz, so make sure you stay till the end. This is going to be a fun one.
Let's get started by talking about the difference between Champagne and Prosecco. One main difference between Champagne and Prosecco are the regions where the grapes grow. Champagne is from France, which is a cooler region, and Prosecco is from Italy. This automatically makes Champagne leaner and more acidic. Prosecco is a little sweeter and offers a variety of fresh fruit notes like pear and lemon, which all mix well with juice. Another difference between Champagne and Prosecco are the methods in which they are made. Champagne and Cava use a traditional method, and Prosecco is made with a tank method. Why does method making matter? I'm glad you asked. It matters because Prosecco is aged in large tanks with less pressure, so the Prosecco bubbles are lighter, more spritzy, and less persistent than Champagne bubbles.
Pretty cool, right? Okay, time for a pop quiz. Now that you've learned the difference between Prosecco and Champagne, I'm gonna set two glasses down side by side and see if you can look at them and tell the difference. Which one is Champagne? Which one is Prosecco? The one on the right or the one on the left? Leave your comments down in the comment section below and stay till the end of the video where I will reveal the correct answer.
So the question is, which glass is Champagne and which glass is Prosecco? Can you tell by just looking at the glass? Here's a closer look. Now let's make some cocktails. The first one I'm making for you is one of my personal favorites. It's called a Gigis Fizz. You'll need pear-flavored Grey Goose vodka, elderflower, and Marca Prosecco. It's very easy to make. You'll take half an ounce of your St. Germain's elderflower and combine it with 1 ounce of your Grey Goose pear-flavored vodka. Shake that together in a shaker over ice and then pour it into your glass. Top off your glass with Marca Prosecco, and the most important part is to make sure you add in a lemon peel. Expressing the peel is not just for show, it actually pulls together all of the different flavors to make for a delicious cocktail. And if you really want to level up your cocktail, make something creative out of your garnish. In this example, I'm simply making some slices in the peel so that I can fold it and let it hang over the glass kind of decoratively. Let me know if you'd like a tutorial on how to do some fun ones. I'd be happy to put one together for you. And for our next fun fact in all things bubbles, there is a right and a wrong way to open a bottle of sparkling wine. And this was just an example of the wrong way. Start by removing the foil and loosening the wire cage. This should take about 6 twists. Bet you didn't know that. Maybe 5 if you have bigger hands. Once the wire cage has been loosened, you must cover the cork at all times until the bottle is safely opened, which you do by holding the bottle at an angle, hold the cork in one hand and the base of the bottle in the other, and turn the cork. For the next cocktail, I'm making a white lily. You'll need 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup. You're going to shake all of those ingredients together in a shaker and then pour simultaneously together in a glass with about 3 ounces of Prosecco. Finish things off by garnishing the cocktail with a twist of a lemon peel. And there's that fancy one that I made. I'm gonna make the garnish for the last cocktail before I mix the drink. I'm taking a cucumber slice and I'm cutting a triangle out of the middle of the cucumber slice, which I sliced in half. And then I'm placing it back to back. I'm gonna put my cocktail skewer through the center of it and basically create a little butterfly. For the antennas, you could use something like some dried rosemary or dried mint. For today's final cocktail, I'm making a summer soiree. You'll need about 1.5 ounces of Prosecco, 1.5 ounces of aged rum, a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and about 10 mint leaves. Muddle the mint and shake all of the ingredients except the Prosecco together in a shaker, and then strain into a coupe glass while simultaneously pouring your Prosecco. You can garnish this drink with a mint sprig, or in this case, I'm using my cucumber butterfly just because I think it's so pretty. And now for the answer to today's pop quiz. If you guessed that the champagne is on the right and the Prosecco is on the left, then you answered correctly. I'm playing this back in slow motion so that hopefully you can see how the bubbles on the left are more spritzy. They're not as persistent as the ones on the right. Can you see it? Let me know in the comments.
Okay, YouTube fam, I don't know about you, but I had a fantastic time presenting all this information to you today. And now I get to decide which one of these fabulous cocktails I'm going to partake in. In the meantime, though, if you learned at least one new thing in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone. It really helps to support the channel and it helps to get this type of content out to more people who are looking for it. I hope you have a fantastic summer. This is just the beginning of all the summer things that I'll be sharing with you. And I'll see you back here next week. Until then, love and peace. And cheers.